Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC and wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is another green candle. Hindi nagpapaawat yung buying pressure ng BTC. Tingnan muna natin sa weekly time frame kung hanggang saan ba yung possible na akyat na nitong BTC. Dahil ngayon we are on a 52k na. So kung makikita natin sa weekly time frame natin, meron tayong resistance area here 51,691 and binabasag yan ni BTC. So yung possible next kung magkakaroon tayo ng another breakout here is possible to reach yung all-time high na 69k, but masyado pang malayo yan. Tingnan natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So yung technical analysis yesterday, BTC still creating multiple higher lows, and nung the moment na binasag niya yung trendline resistance natin, sumundot siya ng sobrang laking green candle. So kung makikita natin, packet ng packet, but yung volume is pahina na ng pahina. And currently, nagkakaroon tayo ng inverted pin bar, but masyado pang maaga. Meron pa tayong almost 2 hours to close this candle, and the pattern is forming rising wedge. So what we expect, if i-continue ni BTC gumawa ng mga higher lows sa lower time frame, possible it's only a continuation, and the moment na magkaroon ng breakout sa key levels natin, possible is magkaroon tayo ng sign of weakness sa buyer's momentum sa lower picture. But big picture is we are still on a uptrend momentum.